Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi, and today we're gonna go slightly off topic and discuss a topic that's not discussed much. But let's be very honest, guys, this is the Kardashian generation. Whether you love them, whether you hate them, you can't ignore them. They're everywhere, and a lot of girls, a lot of women are inspired by them. Now, I'm not talking about whether they should be your role models or not. That's a conversation for another time, maybe for my Smile with Prachi channel. But the point is that with the bikini season coming in, and with how beauty standards are perceived. Surgeries like Brazilian butt lifts, for instance, have become so popular. They are at an all-time high. People are willing to shell out lakhs and lakhs of rupees to get the perfect butt. I remember, I'll just share a little story with you before getting into this video. I remember I was always like, now I am at my ideal weight, but when I was growing up, I was extremely skinny. Okay, so obviously, when you're that skinny, you don't have a lot of curves, you don't have a lot of press, you don't have your bum looking too curvy. That's the most really thin girl's face. Even I used to have that. It never bothered me much because even I was a kid, I didn't think about these things. I remember once, however, when I went to school, I saw one of the girls. She was also like really thin, getting bullied by boys, and they said the meanest possible thing to her. They said to her that you look like a guy, you don't have any of the girl things, in your body. And she started crying, she broke down, she was so hurt. So I just want to tell you guys that before we even go to this video, no matter how you want to look, how you want your body to look, first of all, don't try to change your body because somebody bullied you or said something to you. Fight back, okay? If it's causing you a lot of mental trauma, there's a different way of dealing with that, not by changing your body. And number two, if you do want to change your body, please don't do it for any guy. Don't do it for any guy, don't do it to impress anyone. Having said that, if you want to go for a surgery, by all means, speak to a professional doctor, do it. But I would definitely, like in today's video, that's what we'll be discussing now, coming to the topic. What we'll be discussing is different ways in which you can accentuate your butt to look a certain way, to look more curvy and all of that in some very simple ways. There are actually some very natural ways of also doing it, so you don't have to go all out and spend lakhs and lakhs of rupees into a surgery. Just letting you know that. So starting with the first thing, by the way guys, sorry, on that note, have you explored one of those silicone padded panties? There's something like padded bras for your breasts, which give your breasts a fuller look. These panties, like what I have seen my friends talk about. I'll not review the product today because I've never used it myself, very honestly, but I've seen my friends talking about it. So one of the girls, she said she uses it once in a while. So she's like, the only problem with these panties is, number one, you can't wear them during the summer season. These panties are not comfortable when you're wearing frocks or skirts, but if you're wearing jeans or leggings, they can work really well. Talking about how to get your butt to look a certain way, okay, to enhance the appearance of your butt. Number one, start working out, guys. There is no substitute for working out here. For toned butts, toned butt, toned thighs, you need to start working out. Lunges, squats, duck walk, there's so many options that you can explore. And if you have never done these kind of exercises before, please don't watch the internet and learn from the internet. Get a trainer, okay? Ask a trainer to help you. Maybe you can just book a couple of sessions if you want. And while working out, what you can do is you can do things to improve the blood circulation on your butt. And I'll tell you why blood circulation is important, okay? There are creams also available, by the way, to help improve blood circulation. I'll tell you how to work on that. Now let me give you a very simple example, okay? When a person is aging, when you're aging, the fat, like you see a newborn baby and you see that baby after 15 years, and then after another 50 years or 70 years, you will see that all the fat on the face, all the fat is shrinking. Now obviously, to help, like a lot of this is just biological and it will happen with age, you cannot help it. But these days we also have surgeries to inject extra fat cells, like doctors will take fat from other parts of your body and inject it to your face to give your face a more fatty feel, a more baby like feel. The same thing with your butt. Now here's the thing, if you improve your blood circulation, the fat cells will not die fast, they will work better, they will perform better, they will store more fat. And if the fat cells are storing more fat, obviously your butt looks more contoured, more rounded, right, more full. Now there are multiple ways of improving blood circulation. One of the things that, like, it's very popular in the West, and that is bum creams, okay? This is a Namia Natural Skincare Brazilian Bum Cream. It's a bum cream designed for plumping and firming your bum. And as you can see, the product claims to help enhance the volume, feel and look of the butt, improve the contour and curves of the butt, and designed for all skin types. Now what a bum cream really does, I'll just tell you the science behind it. It improves blood circulation. So we all know that there are certain ingredients, right? For example, if you use cinnamon on your face, it improves blood circulation. It's very tingly, it's very itchy, but it does that. Similarly, when the blood circulation improves, your fat cells stop dying and they can actually, perform better. They are healthier and they can store more fat. So obviously, when the fat cells, like I just said, right, if they store more fat, your bum looks fuller. That's what it does. So I'll quickly take you to the ingredients. It contains all natural ingredients. Okay, it contains ingredients like chamomile, nutmeg, macadamia seed oil, glycerine, Anomera henna. This is basically a type of asparagus. So the root extracts of this plant is also there in the product. Okay, these are some of the ingredients. Now another thing that I've realized, like when I was reading the ingredients, and since I've been using this product myself, I've used it actually. So I'll tell you what I have experienced. Okay, first of all, you'll not see a difference in one day, and it's not going to be like a magical difference. It's just something to help your butt get better contours. Like with the improved blood circulation, you have to use it for at least a few weeks. Using this is very simple, by the way. Just take a little bit and massage this in circular motions. That's all you have to do. Use it twice a day, and you have to use it patiently for at least a few weeks to start seeing a difference. Now, what I was talking about is the differences that I saw instantly is that because of the ingredients, it also plumps up your skin. Okay, so if you're going to be wearing a bikini, if you're going to be wearing a swimsuit, or if you have a lot of butt acne, if you feel like you might be developing stretch marks, especially for people when they start working out, sometimes they also develop stretch marks, right? So when you feel that might be the case, there's something which will just keep your skin moisturized and plump and just behaving better as well. Apart from improving the contours of your butt, it also improves the texture of your skin. So we do so much for the face, for the hands, for the legs and everything, but we don't really take care of other parts of the body. This is something which is designed to help your bum. You can also use it on your thighs and all that, by the way. Okay, so this is a product which you can explore and start using it, especially, but do it with your workouts. Okay, and last but not the least, start massaging the area. So you can actually massage the area with this cream. You can use oils also. You can actually start using scrubs, or you can use coffee based body washes and things like that. Now coffee, chocolate, in fact I'll just write the name of a few ingredients that you can explore in DIYs as scrubs and all. Coffee, chocolate, cinnamon. Although cinnamon can be extremely tingling and really harsh on the skin, so be careful of using that. Coconut oil. You can actually make a mix of some of these ingredients, whichever ones you like. Make a scrub out of it and scrub every alternate day. Now chemical exfoliators, I know, are a big deal when it comes to skin care and things like that, on this face especially, but for your bum it's okay to use physical exfoliators every alternate day, because the skin on your bum is actually extremely hard. Okay, it's not like your face, so it can take a lot more. And obviously the more you massage, the more you scrub, the more the more you use coffee and chocolate and these kind of ingredients, the better for you, the better and the faster your results will be. So start following a routine if you really are obsessed with wanting to get a fuller looking bum and you just feel like, okay, surgery is not going to work for me. And honestly guys, I think you should really think for like a million times before you go for any surgery, to be very honest. Start working out, start using this bum cream. I'll put the link for this Namia Brazilian bum cream in the description box below. And apart from that, yes, start using physical exfoliators which contain coffee, chocolate and things like that. Start using body wash which contains coffee, or anything which will help in improving circulation. That should definitely get you to a point where you see a visible difference. It's not going to be easy, but you will see a difference if you're consistent in your efforts. Okay, and having said all of that guys, let me just repeat this again. Please don't try to change the way you look or your body for impressing any guy, for impressing anyone. Or sometimes if you just think, okay, if I had a bigger butt, this is what people would see, and this is what would impress people. Don't let your mind go there. Okay, because that's not a healthy place. The only thing that justifies you wanting to change the way you look is because you want to look a certain way, and you don't care how people think and how people react to it. It's your body. It should change only as per your choice, and also something that's healthy mentally and physically for you. If you feel like you're obsessed with trying to change your body, if you're obsessed with looking like a Kardashian sister or some other celebrity or something like that, you need to really take a step back and think it over. There are so many eating disorders, so many health issues, so many things that happen simply because people are not happy with the way they look. And look, I'm not shaming wanting to look a certain way. It's okay. I mean, even I keep changing my looks, every once in a while when I see a movie star with a certain hairstyle or somebody doing something, and I'm like, okay, I also want that. But I don't go into a zone where I think that this is what people would think. That's not healthy. So just make sure it's coming from a good mental space. Don't torture your body. Take care of your health. And the things that I just mentioned, they're actually very simple very easy to work with, very easy to include in your regular routine. So try them out, you will see a difference. Okay, so I'll put all the links in the description box below if you want to check them out. And yes guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if this video helped you and inspired you to just do what is right by your body instead of just torturing your body, right? And yeah, don't forget to keep coming back to Super Style for more. Did I mention subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications? Do that, okay? So yes guys, thank you so much for watching. This is me Prachi signing off now. Bye bye. Bye.